Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. This is a 79 series LandCruiser in at our Gold Coast store for an upgraded turbo, chemical soot clean and a custom dyno tune. It's a 2015 model pre-DPF. Now this cruiser originally came to us for just a soot clean and a custom dyno tune. However, on the initial dyno power run that we carried out before any work was commenced, we noticed that the boost was very high and erratic and the power and torque were both low. This was indicating a possible issue with the turbo. We then investigated the issue and found a fault code present in the ECU that confirmed our suspicions. Upon inspection of the turbo, we found the actuator was not moving, suggesting the variable vanes inside the turbocharger were seized and jammed, causing the boost spike issues that we could see on the dyno. We then gave the customer a call to inform him of this. We gave him the option for a standard replacement turbo or one of our performance upgraded high flow turbos. The upgraded turbo we recommend to him is the same high flow item that we developed for our 70 series LandCruiser. And they also are part of our ultimate torque packages. One of those will give it much more power and torque over the standard turbos across all rev ranges, as well as produce much better response down low too, so it's even less turbo lag. Considering it was only a $500 difference between the two turbochargers, it was an easy decision to make. Also taking into consideration, this car had never been tuned before or chipped. The owner of this car is in the electrical trade, so he tows a heavy trailer around and he usually has a couple of big heavy toolboxes on the rear weighing around 2 tonne. So today we'll be custom dyno tuning it for him for a lot more response and more power and torque to ensure that it hauls his load effortlessly. It also has a heavy duty clutch fitted to handle the extra torque and power we're about to give it. So we've now fitted the upgraded turbocharger to the 79 series as well as completed the on-car chemical soot clean. This vehicle also had already fitted a 3-inch turbo back exhaust system, so when we're tuning it, this will really be a great value in low down torque and improving the response. The mandatory pre-dyno tune inspection has also been done. The cruiser is in good condition with no fluid leaks, so it's now ready for the custom dyno tune. First of all, for our custom dyno tuning procedure, we carry out power runs on the dyno to get base power and torque figures, then we custom dyno tune the vehicle. Our tuning process involves altering the software within the vehicle's factory ECU. Using our specialist software, our engineering team is able to carry out recalibration of numerous engine control parameters such as torque limiting, desired torque, fuel injection maps, boost control, and many more. Each vehicle is put on our all-wheel drive dyno so we can accurately test these software changes to each individual car, whilst data logging the engine's performance after each software revision. This process sees multiple tunes tested until the optimised power and torque is achieved based on the vehicle's use. It's truly a customised tuning process. So we've now completed the custom dyno tune on the 79 series. Let's check it out. Remembering when the 79 series came into us, it had issues with the turbo, so I'm not even going to take the time to show you the dyno graph because the numbers were pretty poor. Having looked at these results, after completing the upgraded turbocharger and the chemical soot clean on the vehicle, the car before tuning had 111 kilowatts at the wheels and 332 Newton meters. After completing the custom dyno tune with all the modifications and the upgraded turbocharger, went to 185 kilowatts and 693 Newton meters of torque at the rear wheels. This represented a 71% gain in peak power and a whopping 110% gain in torque, which will be so noticeable for this customer when he drives out this afternoon. With the standard turbo in good condition on the 70 series cruisers and the tune to suit, we usually see around 70% gain in torque on average. So with the turbo upgrade, this car now has substantially more with a huge 110% gain. This customer is going to be absolutely blown away with the performance of this vehicle when he drives out this afternoon. So when you're looking to custom dyno tune your car, give us a call at Ultimate Diesel Tuning or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne, and make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube at Ultimate Diesel Tuning.